Despite 98 individuals testing positive for the virus at the House of Representatives, House Secretary General Mark Llandro Mendoza denied there's a COVID-19 outbreak at the Batasang Pambansa. The former Batangas lawmaker denied reports that the 98 individuals who tested positive for the virus contracted COVID-19 in the House. About 2,000 lawmakers and employees underwent mass testing for COVID-19 in November. It was done upon order of Speaker Lord Alan Velasco.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.